Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so we are vlogging today and I am so excited. So I am about to head out for my hair appointment and I'm gonna be going blonde. I already have like some blonde pieces in my hair from when I did balayage back like last summer, and then I retouched up the balayage back in January, and so I already have some of these like super blonde pieces. But basically what I want to do is become more blonde but also bring it up all the way to the top of the roots because I'm super dark up here. I found this picture on Pinterest and I can like insert it on the screen. So that's what I'm going to show my hairstylist. I'm going to show her that, but only I'm going to say I still want the blonde pieces to go like all the way to the root. We've already talked about it when I got my hair cut last week, but I found this photo and I think it's really pretty, so that's kind of what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm also going to be filming some TikToks because I filmed a TikTok last time before I got my hair where like you're like videoing and then like you like flip your hair and then like your hair is different, or like you have makeup on or whatever. So I did that with like my hair cut. This time I'm going to try and film like another transformation TikTok, so I'll film like the beginning of it now, and then obviously once my hair is different I'm gonna film it, like finish it. So make sure you're following me on TikTok. I love that app. Make sure you're subscribed and you follow me on Instagram. Those are my most active social medias, is YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So make sure you're following me on all of them. I will see you guys once my hair is complete. So I just got my hair done and I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so good. I really just wanted more blonde in it and wanted like more of the blonde pieces like up by my face and kind of like at the top of my hair, but still like I still have some of those like darker pieces like down here. So I absolutely love it. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I can insert some pictures on the screen right now of what my hair looks like in the natural light, and then we also took some photos using a ring light, so I can put them on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. But I absolutely love it, so I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. While I was there, like I got an email and a text sent to me that I have a package, which I really don't know why, because everything that I've ordered, like none of it has said that it's delivered yet or it hasn't shipped yet. So I really have no idea what this package is. It says that it's from, like it came from New Jersey, which is like really weird. So I'm gonna open it. Oh gosh, this is my Shein order. I know, please don't leave a comment. I know it's not ethical to order from them. I know that, so please don't come at me. I'm sorry. But wait, this is so weird because I literally got an email. I think I got an email today saying that my order is now being delayed, and so it's not going to come in time, and it originally wasn't going to be coming in until I think like October 3rd. So that's why I was like, wait, what even is this? But now I guess it came. That's like really weird. Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered some like bracelet. Okay, wait, guys, this is what I'm actually really excited about. I ordered some snake skin heeled booties. Like, look at them. They're like, look so cool. Hopefully they fit because I got a size 39, which I have I have a couple pairs of shoes from Dolce & Gabbana, and I believe those were a size 9, so I went off that. Or a 39, I mean, so I went off that. I'm kind of, okay, moment of truth, I'm gonna try these on right now and see if they look, like if they fit. I'm praying that they fit. Ooh, okay, they definitely fit. Ooh, these might kind of be difficult to walk in, you guys. They're kind of tall and they're pointed. Okay, let's see. Ooh, wait, no, they definitely do fit. This is what they look like. Okay, they're kind of hard to walk in, but I think it's just because I'm not used to like a heel this tall. Normally my heels are like half the size, but they fit, and I feel like that's all that matters. Yay. I just decided right then and now I'm gonna do a full-on haul, so stay tuned for a future video. I pretty much got, you guys, I literally got all summer clothes. I don't know why I did that to myself. I just am still in the summer mode, but I got a bunch of stuff, so stay tuned for another video. It'll probably be like my next video after this one of everything that I got. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, well, go ahead and film this video right now while my hair like looks cute and I have my makeup, and then I also want to finish filming those TikToks that I mentioned. And kind of see where the day goes. But yes, so I'm gonna go film this. It's gonna be a try-on clothing haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and film this. So definitely stay tuned for it in a new video. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so it's a little later now, and I just got off the phone with my dad. He FaceTimed me, so I was able to talk to him for a little bit, him and my mom. So that was good. I am about to pay my rent, which I hate doing because I get a little gutted when I see how much money it is that I'm paying to live here, but it's fine. It's like one of those things that like I am so thankful to live where I live because it's like the perfect location. It's like literally the perfect everything specifically for me and like what I want. And when I first moved to Nashville, like my first apartment here was like, it was nice, but it just wasn't really close to much. It was a little farther out, and so I can kind of appreciate everything that I have now because I didn't necessarily like have it at my old apartment. So I can like appreciate, you know, having covered parking and being walking distance from like restaurants and bars, and just like higher security, and just a newer building altogether, and just like so many things that are just like such an upgrade from my last apartment. And so I feel like I can just like fully understand and like be thankful for it. And now that I'm like paying it with like my own money and everything, like I feel like it's just more like me being like grateful for it. But every time I pay for it, I definitely am a little like it makes me nervous. All right, we're good. Your payment was submitted. Yay! Okay, so now that I got my rent under control, so my friend is going to come over in probably like about an hour. I think she works until 5 and it's 4:09 right now. So she's gonna come over and she is going to take photos of me. She's so sweet. To do that, we're going to a place in the Gulch. It's like right by Urban Outfitters, and it's kind of like an alleyway, but it's like super cute. And so hopefully we can get some cute photos there, because I just want to show off my hair now that it's blonde and like styled good. I'm also starving, so I think I'm gonna have a snack. I have leftover 5 Points pizza, which is so good. I got that with a friend the other day, so I still have it left over because we got such a big pizza, and we got like garlic knots and everything. And he didn't want to take any of them home, so I just have them all in my fridge still. So I'm gonna have some leftovers for like a snack, and then I'll make my HelloFresh after photos and everything like that. So yay, I'm excited. That's kind of the updated plan for tonight and the rest of today or whatever. Okay, hi guys. So this is an update. This is what I'm gonna be wearing to take photos in. So I just tried on this red shirt. I just got this in the mail today, and I absolutely love it. It fits perfect. So this is my outfit, just the red cropped, some black Lululemon Align leggings, literally live in these. And then my shoes are these, and I can zoom in so you guys can see what they look like. They have just little like cheetah print and like gold. I absolutely love them. They're super comfortable, but they are from Lulu's. And so yeah, this is my outfit. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing to go take photos in. And guys, I literally just took so many photos. It's kind of embarrassing. Like, look how many mirror selfies I just took in this outfit because I want to post one to my Instagram story. And so I just kept taking them. And then here's like some from my hair today and stuff like that. But yeah, I just took an embarrassingly amount of photos, so I need to go through those. But yeah, so I am about to leave. This will focus. But yeah, so I'm about to leave. My friend Taylor is picking me up and we're gonna go. Guys, I can't get over how much I like my hair. I think it's so cute. But yeah, so I'm about to head out, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit, and this is what I decided on. So I just got done taking photos. Shout out to my friend Taylor again for taking those. So sweet of her. But I am going to now make some dinner. I have a HelloFresh meal. No, this is not sponsored. I paid with this with my own money. So the two meals that I got were herb chicken over lemon spaghetti, which is this one, and then I also got a garden spinach ricotta ravioli, and I've had their spinach ravioli before and it is so good. But I think for today I'm just gonna do the chicken one because I want to cook up the chicken and like use it. So yes, I'm super excited. It's honestly not, I wouldn't normally, like if I'm gonna make chicken, I'm not gonna normally put it on pasta. I'm normally gonna like make the chicken and then like drench it in ketchup because I put ketchup on everything. So this is gonna be like new to me, and like if I have pasta, it's normally like with marinara sauce. So we're just trying something new and I'm excited. And so I have my little bag that HelloFresh sends you. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this. Okay, so I just went ahead and cut up everything. I have my recipe right here that I'm following, and I'm just kind of taking a couple minute break because I need to wait for the pasta to, like the water to start boiling, and then I'll throw in the pasta. But yeah, so we're doing good. All right guys, so this is the final product. So we have the pasta, zucchini, and chicken, and it actually looks really good. You can't tell, but the pasta has a like sauce on it, and so it's not just like plain pasta. So I'm really excited to try it. I will definitely let you guys know how it turned out. Hi guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the HelloFresh. So I actually really enjoyed it, and that is why I like HelloFresh so much, is because they kind of get me out of the comfort zone, because I'm someone where I am so content with like what I already like, and I'm not one to branch out to new things. And I will admit that, and I'm trying to get better at it, and HelloFresh is one of the reasons why I can like break out of the cycle of always cooking the same like 5 recipes that I always make. It is now 7:30 and I'm honestly just gonna kind of chill for the rest of the night. I don't really think I have any plans. It's a Thursday, so nothing crazy. Oh my god, my eyes are so bad. I can't even see my viewfinder to see if my screen is like, if I'm in focus or not. Okay, anyways, it is a lot later. I got a shake from Chick-fil-A because I was craving it. I just finished it, so big sad now that it's all gone, but it's fine. I just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. I had a really good day today, and I'm glad I ended up vlogging it for all of you guys. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.